Hey, welcome to Sapient.ai. Installing the plugin is really easy. Load up your IntelliJ IDE and navigate to Preferences. Once there, click on Plugins, go to the Marketplace tab, click on Search, type in Sapient. In the search results, you'll find Sapient.ai Test Coder, click on Install. Once the plugin installs into your IDE, it'll prompt you to restart. Click on Restart. All right, looks like we're installed. So once the plugin installs into your JetBrains IDE, you'll notice that there's a Sapient logo in the gutter right next to the line number. When you click on it, you'll get a few options. First one is Launch Sapient.ai. Click on that. Here's where you log in. Make sure you use the same email address you used in the previous screen on the website signup. Once you complete this step, you'll get an email to confirm your email address. Once you do that, the plugin's activated, and off you go.